Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to find and use the Richmond water heater reset button, location and reset instruction. So where is the reset button? Turn off the water heater circuit breaker, then remove the uppercase access panel using a screwdriver. Then pull back the insulation carefully, then look for the red reset button on the upper thermostat. Now how to reset the water heater? Turn off power at the circuit breaker, then remove the upper access panel and insulation. Then press the red reset button until you feel or hear a click. Then put the isolation and access panel back in place. Then turn the circuit breaker on, then wait 30 to 60 minutes and check if hot water returned. Thanks for watching.